स्वच्छ गंगा स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के तहत निकाली जा रही एपीएन की इको पद यात्रा बिहार के औरंगाबाद में लोगों को जागरूकता का पाठ पढ़ा रही है। हमारे संवाददाता कुमार पुष्कर राज के पद यात्रा की अगुवाई कर रहे बौद्ध धर्मगुरु ग्यालवांग द्रुपका से इस यात्रा के बारे में उनकी प्रतिक्रिया जानी।
हो चुकी है, तमाम लोग आप देख सकते हैं इस वक्त साथ चल रहे हैं, हमारे साथ धर्मगुरु हैं जो इस पूरे यात्रा को लीड कर रहे हैं। इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि जिन जिन रास्तों से ये गुजर रहे हैं वहां पर इनके रास्ते में आने वाला जितना भी कचरा है तमाम बोरियों में रखा जा रहा है। सफाई का संदेश देते हुए ये चल रहे हैं। इनसे जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि एक ग्रुप फॉर्म हुआ है इस पूरी टीम में और ये कोशिश की जा रही है कि जो भी ग्रुप अपने नियत स्थान तक पहुंचने पर, अंतिम पड़ाव तक पहुंचने पर सबसे ज्यादा सफाई करेगा, सबसे ज्यादा कचरे इकट्ठा करेगा, उसे पुरस्कार भी दिया जाएगा। आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्टेस्ट इज इट इन दिस ग्रुप?
Yes, as I mentioned, it's like a human nature that they wanted to really gain the best result. So this is and also most of my pupils and also the followers, they are very young. This is something very good. Of course, old people are there too. They're very, very enthusiastic. But the young, so they wanted to really be gaining the first. So I form something like that so that they feel very active and very motivated. So that is quite fun also at the same time of good cause.
How many groups you have formed in this and as much how many people are in one group?
Yeah, I'm not very sure, but I think we have more than 75 groups, I think. And each group, the minimum, we have 13 to 15 people.
The thing is that you are collecting all the garbages throughout your traveling. I just wanted to know how much you are going to dispose all this garbage which you are all are collecting and you are moving with this.
Yes, the garbage first of all I wanted to say this is not all the garbage, of course, only the non-biodegradable garbage, and all these garbages we will finally go to a recycling machine if it is possible. If there is not much of possibility to recycle it, then I think we will go for like discussing with the government, local government and the central government, what to do with these things. They should really know what to do.
I just want to know what kind of message you, as I've seen this small kind of small boys, and there is a goat also. She is also following your Padayatra. I just wanted to know the story of this goat, from where she became your
my follower.
Yeah.
I have an animal follower.
Yeah. It's a great thing.
That's a great, because we shouldn't really see difference between the human being and the animal. Animal does better than the human being these days. The human beings, they are causing a lot of problems. The pollutions and everything causes by the human being, not by the animals. Animals, the worst thing is they may be shit, but the shit is not non-biodegradable. So it's not as harmful as the what human beings are causing.
मिशन को लेकर के जिस संकल्प को लेकर ये आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, उस संकल्प को, उस मिशन को आगे बढ़ाने में, एक स्वच्छ भारत के निर्माण में, एक स्वच्छ पर्यावरण के निर्माण करने में एक बड़ा योगदान जरूर होने वाला है। कैमरामैन फैजान के साथ कुमार पुष्कर राज, एपीएन न्यूज औरंगाबाद।